This is an example of the public offering. They would cut the first sheaf of barley and offer the first fruits of crops in the temple. It was very elaborate.
Dear Heavenly Father, you are just a great God, Lord, and we give you this first sheaf of barley of the entire kingdom, and this first fruit, Lord, because you are our first fruit, Lord, and you are glorified here today.
Lying on the altar is barley and bread, which was commonly offered in the public offering. The difference between the public offering and the private offering is that the public offering is in the temple, and they would bring barley and bread. But in the private offering, they would bring nuts and dried fruit. They would also bring the first sheaf of barley.